A mysterious occurrence at a loch in Scotland has left residents and archaeologists mystified, and ancient sites not seen by humans for 750 years have been revealed. Described as being a threat to Scottish heritage, according to the independent water levels in a freshwater Scottish loch, mysteriously reached a 750-year low earlier this year, according to archaeologists studying the remains of an ancient settlement on a man-made island. Researchers at Lake Vaugh in the Cairngorms collected and carbon-dated timbers which have been covered by water since the 13th century to reveal the water levels reached a historic low in May 2019. However, what remains unclear is what caused the loch to drain. It is a spring-fed loch with no other major water inlets or outlets. But in May, the water levels had fallen by 1.4 meters. It was like someone had pulled a plug, according to locals, and took until July for the loch to regain its usual level. According to researchers, the radiocarbon dating we took came from a timber that was just about 15 centimeters below where the water level was in May. So what that says to me is that sometime in the last 750 years, the level had dropped to maybe as low as that point before, but no lower. Locals have previously blamed Scottish water, suggesting boreholes have drained the aquifers supplying the loch, but this has been rejected by the company, which said their activities 3 miles upstream were too far away to affect it. The Scottish Environment Protection Agency has suggested the loch has suffered due to a relatively dry winter. Whatever is going on, it is weird and nobody seems to know. Maybe a dry winter in 2018 followed by a summer heat wave of 2018 in the UK are to blame, but then again, maybe not. This is an installment into our Short Histories series, and you can check that out as it appears on your screen. And please check out our other videos that are appearing to you guys now. We need your viewership as we attempt to fight back against the attempt to silence the Lost History channel on YouTube. What do you guys think about this anyway? Comments below, and as always, thank you for watching.